Launching a real estate marketing campaign means creating a strategic plan to promote your properties or services, attract leads, and turn those leads into clients. The goal is to grow your business by increasing visibility and driving conversions. With PropStream, you can perform email and direct mail marketing from the same platform where you generate your leads and get their contact information. Before launching a campaign, update your marketing profile. This is what potential clients will see within your campaign. Go to Account, click Add. Under Marketing Profile, fill out the required information and hit Save. Now that you have updated your marketing details, select Campaigns from your navigation bar to create a new marketing campaign. Next, you'll want to click New Campaign. You can name the campaign and select a marketing list to add your recipients. You can also select multiple marketing lists by clicking Add Group. Once you've chosen the right list, click Save to start your campaign. A pop-up will appear with the following options. Set up website. Each marketing campaign you create in PropStream gets one free landing page that you can customize. Add an activity. This includes email and postcard marketing. And campaign dashboard. This is the interface where you can review details about your campaign and initiate marketing activities. Choose one, and that's how you start a marketing campaign with PropStream. Here's a pro tip. Your campaign dashboard updates based on your activity. Once you save an email or postcard campaign, it will appear in your dashboard. To start a new one, click New Activity in the top right corner and choose either email or postcard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.